This entire video is made of using Higgsfield.AI. From image to cinematic videos, I will show you the exact workflow step by step using Higgsfield.AI. So here we are going to Cinema Studio. So in the Cinema Studio section you can create films using this amazing tool. So the first section, so we are going to make an image using text. So first I have to delete this text and I'm going back to I already created some prompts, so here you can see my prompts. So this was a prompt, text to image prompt. So this was a scene which I am going to create from Higgsfield.AI. So this prompt I am going to copy this prompt from here to this. Okay, I'm going to copy this prompt and going back to Higgsfield, and the image section you can see here. The image section you can just need to just paste this prompt. Wait a second. So I'm going to paste this. I'm going to paste this here. So here is the prompt. So you can check this prompt. A cinematic medium. Close up of a young filmmaker standing on a quiet Indian rooftop at sunrise. Soft golden light hitting. So you can see the lens which I am using, 50mm prime lens, sharp depth of field and skin tone, natural skin tone, realistic lighting, cinematic color grading, film strike quality. And this was our prompt. So now I am going to create the image using this. So let's begin. So I am generating it. You can see the generate section here. So I'm going to create an image. So you need to wait for a second there. So right now you can see there is a queue in 4 images because I selected the batch size 4. You can change this to 1 or 2 according to you, and the aspect ratio is 16:9 and the resolution is 4K. So you need to wait for a while. If you want to create a prompt like this, you can go to ChatGPT and you can type which type of scene you want to create. You can explain to ChatGPT and you will get the result. And this was the latest AI, which is Cinema Studio, and most likely to be the best AI tools to make a film or cinematic scene. So we need to wait for a while. So you can check this all which I recently made using this tool. These are some clips. So you can see this, how realistic this looks like. It's all our image. So you can see this. So that's amazing. So you can see the prompt here. So this was a prompt which I used. 15 lens, prime lens, shallow depth of field, natural skin tone, realistic lighting, cinematic, the image quite better. So here you can see the features, cinematic studio of image. So camera Aries LXS 35 and the lens used signature prime or focal length. You can see the focal length 35mm, camera aperture f4, quality 4K, size. Yes, now we are going back and seeing this image. So here is an image. So this was a batch image. So you can see the 3 images quite better. So going back and using an image, I think this one was good. So we are going back to animate this image. So going back, and in this section I am going to paste another prompt which was image to video prompt. So you can see this. So I'm going to copy this from this, and I'm going to copy, I'm going back and adding the image. In video section, you can see here the video section, so you can upload the image here, and I'm just going to paste the prompt here. So you can see the prompt. So cinematic camera push towards the subject gently. Gentle morning breeze moving the hair slightly soft like sunlight flaring from the side. Natural head movement, realistic motion, salute at the field. Maintains no structure, no fast motion. The scene should feel calm, emotional, and film-like. So I'm going to create the aspect ratio around cinematic 16:9 moments. So you can add the moments here. So static, whatever moments you want, you can add from here also. So I'm not adding from there, and you can see the duration I want. I'm going to for 10 seconds. Audio, if you want the audio, you can also add audio using Blink 2.6, the latest one. So slow motion, I don't want the slow motion. And here we can add batch size. So I want only one clip, so I am adding only one. So now I am going to generate. So here we go. In few seconds we'll start the process. So yeah, you can see, yes, it's in the queue, so we need to wait for a while, and I'm going back and seeing some another images. So I think this was failed. This got failed. So we need to wait for a while. The video, you can use these all images and create a cinematic video using this image, and you need to just create another font. It's very easy to use. If you are a content creator or a storyteller, it's very useful for you if you are starting to use this type of tools to create some amazing story or a film. So I need to wait for a while. Some process. Cinema Studio depth of field. You can see these videos also. This video doesn't contain any sound, doesn't add any sound effects or placing. Okay, I think I need to create another one. So I'm going back and copying the white shirt. I have the prompt, the new prompt, white shirt. So I'm going to copy this prompt. So copy this and go back and add this section. Ultra wide cinematic shot of a quiet Indian street early morning, mist in the air, soft sunlight breaking through buildings, a single person walking. Shot on a 24 mm cinema lens, deep, realistic shadows, immersive depth, filmic contrast, cinematic storytelling frame. So here we are going to see 16:9 ratio and creating a 2 batch of photos, images, and 4K resolution. You can go for 2K also, 1K also if you want. So better quality is high, ultra, highest detail, longer process. Okay, so we are going to 4K. So we generate the image. So we need to wait for a while. The second image was creating. So here is the video, the final output. You can hear the sound also. Amazing. Wow. So this was the final output, and I'm going to create another video using another image. So using this one, this. So in next video I will add the movement from the this, so the image is in process, so you need to wait for a while, 10-15 seconds. So it's very easy to use if you are a beginner or a amateur filmmaking. You can easily use this tool. So I'm going to fast forward this clip. It's a long process, I think. Let's take time to. This video is amazing. Looks very realistic. You can see the detail. Going back to image. How? Here is the image, so you can see this quite beautiful. So this was a prompt which I used recently, providing shot, quite in the street, early morning, something. So you can see the details of the falls and all. Amazing, the shadows. Quite amazing. Most AI tools generate motions. Higgsfield designs shots. It's amazing, really. So look at this image. It's pretty good, realistic. I don't think it was AI generated. It feels like a real image which was shot by a cinema camera. Right. That was nice for this AI. So here we got the video. Amazing. The work is amazing, really. So we are going back and animating this image from, you can select animate from here. So now we are going to change the prompt, pasting last prompt, animate prompt, slow lateral movement from left to right, slight animated motion for 15 minutes. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going back and just pasting the prompt here. You can see to add this and region animate this one. So here is the image. So you can see this as image which I want to animate. So here we are going to add movements. So I'm going to add this moment I'm using. So back and 10 second, duration sound on, slow motion no required. So I'm going to generate. So you can see here the video is in queue. So you're going for 2 apps. So we need to wait for a while. So amazing work. Higgsfield.AI, you can tool. There are too many tools to create. In the explore section, you can see there are too many tools. Ultimate cling motion control, cinematic bundle. So you can see this if you are using After Effects or any type of Apple, you can create this type of retouching and motion graphics in this Higgsfield.AI for little free. Cheapest platform to use. You can mix up videos. You can create this type of videos using, so as you already seen in movies, Hollywood, Bollywood, whatever movies you see in this type of clips. So you can create by your own using this Higgsfield.AI. And moving back and going to Cinema Studio and check our video. I think takes time. So I'm going to back to ChatGPT. I'm going to create a new prompt. Wait for a while. Yeah. So finally got the video. So you can see. That's amazing. Whoa. Man, this is crazy. You can see and hear the voice. This was amazing. I didn't think that this tool is that much amazing. So I'm going to create this mix-up type. So I'm going to add tone mix this. We'll just pasting this and this right click button. So we'll check this what will happen if we add this type of prompt. So if you want to create some prompts, you can go and on ChatGPT and create amazing prompts. So it will create a short prompt. So we are going back on Higgsfield. Wait for a while. So finally got the prompt. So I'm going to copy this prompt from here. Copying code. Copy this prompt. I'm going to Higgsfield. I'm going to image section. I'm going to paste the prompt here. Just pasting the prompt, and ChatGPT will provide you the perfect prompt. If you describe it properly, you will get the amazing prompts from ChatGPT, and you can go back to Higgsfield.AI and create a short from text to image. Firstly, you need to make the image. So I'm going to create an image and to image. So I'm going back and going to generate this. So here we go. So it's now generating in process queue. So back and checking the clips. So here it's clip. So let's go. Oh, amazing work, man. It's crazy. You can check the follow motion. Amazing. I didn't expected this. Amazing. So check that out. Oh, man. Is this oh amazing work. How crazy this one. So we go back and check the image. So it's what is the process. I need to wait. artwork is amazing. You don't need a studio to create some cinemas, but definitely you need to work on this Higgsfield AI to make a change. If you want to create a film or whatever stories, or you can use this and create your own story using Higgsfield AI, the latest tool, cinema studio. You can see this image is created and it wait. The entire cinematic shot was created inside one workflow, text to image to video, without leaving Higgsfield. That's amazing. This feels like an AI generated, but more virtual film like film studio. So you can see the videos. Definitely, it was amazing. I didn't expect this. Amazing details. You can see the windows, door shutters, and buildings and mountains behind the person. And the camera, amazing. The stalls and amazing work. The motion blur is amazing. It looks like a real film. Crazy man. It will take time. I need to fast forward this. So already you've seen this on a, you should have already seen this on this videos. I think you have seen it. And one thing is I will also provide the link of Higgsfield AI in the description. You can check and don't forget to use this. It's an amazing tool. Notice how Higgsfield thinks like a real camera lens depth lighting, not just a random AI image. It's amazing, really. Wow, man, amazing. Oh, it looks like a real forest. Crazy shot. Crazy. So I'm going back to animate this. Wait, and that is great. So, yeah, what's this? And for this video, I am also using the image creator to create a thumbnail using Xfield AI. So you can see this all image section. In all image section, you can see is all tools. And in video section, you can see so many tools. Game motion control for some new one. This was mixed media create mixed media projects. Actually, I'm creating cinema studio because I'm creating cinematic videos on. So I'm using this for to create a cinematic shot or video. So in my YouTube, you can also see some cinematic I will create later using Higgsfield. So here is a video I got it. So, oh man, realistic, crazy. There's also sound. Amazing work, man. Amazing, really amazing. So we are going to add a motion in this. So camera movements. In movement section, I will add a zooming camera flow. Zoom in. Should add a drone shot. We'll add a drone shot. So we'll add a drone shot in this and match only one. So we are going to generate this in drone shot. So going to generate it. Take time. Explore section as its motion control. This section. The process integrate. Don't do fast forwards. Yeah, it's done. Oh man, crazy! Oh man, amazing work. Literally amazing. Crazy shot, man, crazy. So I'm going to wide cinematic shot of a dense forest. So this was it. So I hope you like this video. If you think it's very helpful for you, make sure drop a like and comment in the section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And that's it in this video. If this feels like an AI generator and more like a virtual film studio, really, it was like a real virtual film studio. You're choosing lens, camera, behavior, and motion, all these things in one studio. So, and the most important thing is the Higgsfield.AI does not have any mobile applications. So I'm making sure that you just go to your browser or website on your laptop or PC to start creating this type of videos using Higgsfield.AI. And that's it for today's video. So if you will meet in another section, so stay tuned.